So, good morning everyone. We have Dr. Harsha Vardhan and Dr. Vinay with us. Good morning. And tomorrow is Teachers' Day.
Yes.
Okay, in the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, we all celebrate 5th of September every year as Teachers' Day. So I asked these two guys, one is surgery PG, another one is orthopedics PG. I asked them, what is or who is your best teacher? So their answers. Tell Baba.
During my school days, I used to have a favorite teacher from physics. He used to teach very well.
Mm-hmm.
He used to be good with students.
Okay.
He didn't have any egos or else any anger issues with us.
Okay.
He used to be soft and kind, very, very kind to us.
Okay.
He explains everything in a good manner.
Okay.
He explains everything in a understandable language and understandable for every student. He explains every doubts. He used to be around 24/7 around us.
Mm-hmm.
And from
24/7 he was around you.
24/7
Chemistry
in the
teacher.
sense, the physics teacher, sir. I mean,
Physics teacher.
he used to be in the hostel only, sir.
Okay.
So whenever we ask for doubts, he'll come for rounds.
What was the latest doubt you had asked? Like, did
Not-
you go at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the
No,
night
sir.
and ask him?
No, sir.
No? Okay. And then?
And during my intermediate +2 stage, I used to
Uh-huh.
have a favorite teacher from chemistry,
Okay.
and he is some 60 years old, more than 60 years. He used to teach chemistry very well.
Okay.
And one of my favorite subjects from chemistry is inorganic chemistry. He used to teach very well.
Inorganic. Okay. Very nice. So, according to you, their teacher should be a soft, kind-hearted teacher.
No, sir.
Oh.
And that's not my point, sir. Actually,
Huh.
a teacher who praises or a teacher who scolds, both are the teachers and both are the both are telling for our sake, sir.
Okay. Fine. But means, was that teacher this favorite of every student or
No,
only you?
No, sir.
No.
For mine.
Okay. So it was you
Yes, sir.
who were feeling that he is your favorite teacher,
Yes, sir.
right?
It was me, sir.
One. Very nice. Now, with Vinay. Vinay, you mentioned two people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
During my 8th class, I was very poor in Tamil. So, at that time in my school, one Tamil teacher joined Mr. Veermani Ayya from Madurai. He taught me Tamil from the basics in grammar, everything in very good way. So, I improved a lot. At the same time, one of my tenants in my home, Sweta mom, was there. Both of them together made me to score a very good marks in my 10th exam. I literally scored state 4th rank.
Very nice.
Second one is my sister. She's general medicine. During my COVID time, I was third year MBBS. At that time, I was literally concentrating on my first year subjects. I didn't read third year so much. During my exam, just 1 month before, my sister just taught me all the 3 subjects. In a way, it was registered in my mind. I didn't forget even the points. So the teacher is the one who guides us the best way and shows us the path. So in my life, my sister is my best teacher.
Okay. So now I will give you a kind of slight different angle to it. So is your teacher or is your sister the best teacher for everyone?
No, sir.
No.
My Tamil teacher, everybody, my friends doesn't like him.
Correct. So the point here is that it is not the teacher who is best. It is actually the student who is best. So I hope all of you understand this point, that the student glorifies the teacher. The student's success, the student's zeal to learn glorifies and ignites the teacher within anyone. I hope you get this point, and if you get this point, it will help you to become a great teacher, at the same time to become a great student. We are all students for life.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means we all have to learn till the last breath. That is what my teacher used to say. Hello sir, namaskara.
Vlogging,
Koncham.
very good, very good.
So, best teacher is you yourself, because you are ready to learn, and that is where you have decided that you are going to listen carefully to the person in front of you. Okay, you did not get that because they were best. You became better because you were in the best moment at that time. You were doing the best with your own consciousness at that time. So it is a combination of both, teacher as well as student. Teachers being at their best does not solve the problem. Students doing their best does not solve the problem. Both mutually doing their best will bring the best out of both of them. So with that, we have already spoken for 5 minutes 36 seconds. Thank you very much everyone, and have a very great Teachers Day tomorrow.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy
Thank you,
Teachers
everyone.
Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Be a great teacher and great student both at the same time. Thank you.